So another large prompt that we have here is drugs and alcohol. Again, much too broad a topic for a research paper in this class. You need to narrow your focus. So what are we going to do? You can't write a paper on this prompt. Just like crime, there are many different problems and issues that define this much larger set of problems. So how do you narrow your focus? First, let's think about the different types of drug problems. I think you'll agree that there's no one drug problem. What are some of the possible topics? Well, one really useful way to get started thinking about this is to research by substance. So I provided a link here. Okay, in this document to the National Institute on Drug Abuse. So it's a clickable link. When you click this link, it will take you here. It gives you all of NIDA, that's the National Institute on Drug Abuse's topics. So one good thing to do is to look to research by topics. Okay. What I've done is, over here in the far right column, you can get started thinking about this. I click see more topics, right? Because we got some major categories here, okay? Opioids, fentanyl, xylazine, kratom, cannabis, hallucinogens, vaping and nicotine, cocaine, heroin, ecstasy, prescription medicines. Steroids are a drug problem, right? And alcohol is a drug problem, okay? So, basically, let's click on the alcohol, okay? So basically, it gives you information, okay? And you can go alcohol. It's called alcohol use disorder. That if you're looking at alcoholism as a social pattern is what you're looking at, you want to use the term alcohol use disorder, okay? You can look at, you can look at collaborative research on addiction. That page was helpful, okay? I'm a researcher, okay? So submit, okay? Okay. And then we have here, you could narrow your topic even further. Here's alcohol use among high school students. Notice down here, you've got, a news release. Now remember in your sources, we differentiated between academic and non-academic sources. A news release from a government agency like this is considered an academic source. Okay, and indeed, here's a substance abuse disorder, maybe at higher risk from COVID, right? So that's one possibility. Let's go back for a moment and look at this page some more. You have all kinds of topics. You can narrow your topic in terms of specific populations, the LGBTQ population. Okay, college students, young adults, military, people in the active duty military. All of these are ways that you can narrow your topic and really what you want to do. Okay, this is the best way forward for you if you are interested in examining how to get started with drug and alcohol abuse topics.